Hey there, Sunshine. Today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging April's Ipsy. I don't know. I cannot honestly give you guys a straight answer on why I am still subscribed with Ipsy. I guess really just because I haven't had like a large portion of you be like, girl, cancel right now. Like, I don't know. I know some of you still enjoy it, so that's why I'm still here, because I still want to make you guys happy, even though I haven't been very happy with my Ipsy bags. But I am excited for this month's, because this bag is really super duper cute. Look how cute this is. Like, I want to turn this into a clutch. This is so pretty. I honestly love this so much. Okay, weird fact about me that you probably don't care about. I hate butterfly tattoos. I hate butterflies on shirts. Like, okay, I hate butterflies, but not in the sense of where I'm gonna go sociopath and like kill them all. Like, in nature, they are beautiful, but I just, like, my mom was like, you should get a butterfly tattoo, and I'm just like, that's really like not my thing. But this is a great butterfly piece of work, artwork that I love. It's so pretty, but we care more about what's on the inside of the bag. But this bag is super duper cute. So for those of you who do not know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription, makeup subscription box. Is $10 a month. Yeah, I think you get like 4 to 5 samples every month. That's all I can think of right now. My mind just completely drew a blank. Also, can you all help me out? Okay, I love bright tie-dye shirts. I love them so much. Like, I want my entire closet to be filled with black t-shirts and bright tie-dye shirts. Can somebody please tell me, like, besides making them, where can I get these? Because the ones I make, they never turn out this bright and they never last that long. But the ones that I buy, they last longer and they're brighter. So can somebody please share with me where I can go, like, find a plethora, besides the boardwalk, a plethora of tie-dye t-shirts? I would so super duper appreciate that. Thank you. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, ooh, it says Starstruck. Ooh, it says limited edition. I can't really read it too well because the packaging, the wrapper on the outside is like really bright. Oh my gosh. Does it not, why does it not have one of those tear things? It's limited edition, so they literally don't want me to open it. That's why they didn't give me one of those tear things. Okay, ladies, let's try this again. So, yeah, I literally just dropped this on my floor and on my hand. I dropped the liquid part. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the Ciate, is that how you say that? I really don't know. Ciate London limited edition Starstruck. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you guys what this looks like. Like, how do I say this name? Can anybody like guide me, please? So here, let me try and get this to focus. Thank you. So this is, I'm going to assume, a double-sided eyeliner. Oh, it's stamped. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. I am so hyper right now. I'm so excited because look. Oh, woohoo. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Okay, so it has a star stamp and it has like a liquid eyeliner pen, but I am so excited about this little star. Oh my gosh, it's like we're back in like preschool and we're like stamping things on ourselves. That is so incredibly exciting. I'm so glad that I stayed with Ipsy long enough to get one of these. I like literally saw this on one subscription, like, I can't remember the name of the channel, but like they got this in their Ipsy like in 2000 and something. I don't know. It was a long time ago. And I'm so hyper right now. This entire box has been made for me. Even if like I get lipsticks that have been chewed on, I will still be so excited because I have a star. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. The next thing that we received is a card. Okay. I don't really want to read it. They don't really ever say anything. Okay, the next thing that I received is from Wander Beauty, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Cool. So it says 1 pair. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, individually packaged gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients effectively. restoratively, giving you all of the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. This sounds like it could fix all of my damaged relationships and my fine lines and my dark circles. This sounds literally so luxurious. I've never actually seen any eye masks that go that far into like the science behind them. So, I mean, I can't open it up because I don't want to waste it because I'm not going to use them right now. But that's really exciting and it sounds like super duper fancy. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out, oh my gosh, wait, hold up. 2 pairs. Wow. Okay, I hope that doesn't count as like 1, 2 because I would be kind of disappointed. But that's okay because I still have this star on my face that I'm so incredibly excited about. Okay, so we got these. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is something squishy. What is it? Okay. Ooh, super squishy. It's bubble wrap. What is this? Bronzer or Bora Bora. Ooh, the last time I got bronzer from Sephora, it was from the Bomb Cosmetics. No, not the Bomb Cosmetics. Bombshell Cosmetics. And they had the shade Tanorexic, and I hated the shade, and I hated the name. But this shade literally looks like it's going to be a bronzer that's good for my soul. It says ingredients from Paula Dwarf. I have never heard of this name before ever. I'm going to scooch closer to you guys so we can actually have a face-to-face conversation. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to open it up and swatch it on the back of our hands, or at least attempt to open it up. I need to hire somebody that like, I just like hand them packages and they open things up for me because I just cannot seem to do it very well. Okay, so we're going to swatch this. This is what it looks like. This will be a good bronzer for my skin tone and my star. I'm sorry. I'm so excited about this star. Okay, so here's the bronzer. We're going to swatch it. Ooh, that's actually really... Why did I put it on my finger? What the heck? Like... So that's going to be a very light bronzer for me. That's literally like, if this is going to be such a good contour shade for me because it looks like a shadow. Like, look how skinny my finger looks right now. Like, it looks like I have a dent. Like, my hands are very ghastly. But this is going to be a really good contour shade for me. I'm excited to dip into this. Okay, Ipsy. Okay, we are not mad at all. This is a great month. Okay. The next thing that I am pulling out is a brush. I love receiving brushes. This is from Ruby. It says www.shopruby.ie. Okay, we're going to try and open it up. See, this again would be a great time if I literally just had somebody sitting next to me. I'm like, okay, do your job and open this for me. You can make like $10 an hour. I don't know. I need to hire somebody. Okay, so this feels... like a brush. It doesn't feel very soft in all honesty. It feels very stiff. Yeah, it feels very stiff. But I mean, like, hey, I'm still excited to get an eyeshadow brush. And it's not just your basic blending brush. Like, this is a tapered eyeshadow brush. So, I mean, that's really cool that I'm getting, like, a lot of variety in this month's box. So, like, literally, and it feels very lightweight. This is a wooden handle, and the ferrule is like, it's not metal, it's just plastic, which the ferrule is this part of the brush right here. So I mean, like, it's very lightweight feeling, which I don't mind because I don't want to like have like rock biceps by the time I'm done blending. I don't mind lightweight brushes. Like, I'm not somebody who's like, oh, I have to have heavy brushes. Okay, and then the last thing we are pulling out is Coconut Micellar Cleansing Water. Soothing and ultra hydrating, no rinse, no rub formula, oil free. I'm gonna put my bag down now that that's empty. So let's see if it actually smells like coconut. Oh, that smells like coconut. Oh my goodness, that smells really good. Okay, Ipsy, I'm very sorry that we've had bad months before, but this was a really good month. Thank you for spoiling me and doing such a great job with this month's box. Okay. Okay, so here's everything that we got. We got an amazing contour shade from Paula Dwarf. It's a bronzer and it says Bora Bora. We received 2 baggage claim gold eye masks from Wander Beauty. Very excited. We received Coconut Micellar Cleansing Water from Pure Effect by by Symphony Beauty. Like, that rating there is so small. How can you guys like expect me to read that? That smells like coconut and it's oil free, so $2. We received a tapered eyeshadow blending brush, yay. And we received this Starstruck limited edition eyeliner plus star stamp from Ciate London, and I'm literally so excited about this. And this is the end that I ended up dropping, and I got like a little bit of like fur on it because I have a fur rug and I dropped it on my floor, a fur rug. But it's really cool that I got something limited edition. I've wanted this. I could never ever find it when I did want it, and like it was in the forefront of my mind. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. So they didn't even count the like, they counted these as like one thing instead of it like, because it's 2 packages, they didn't count it as 2, they counted it as 1, which is so exciting. So this month's Ipsy box or bag is a round of applause. I literally love everything in there. I'm so incredibly impressed. I want to know what you all received in your Ipsy box. What was your favorite item in mine? I can't wait to hear from you all in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.